What it do, baby? It's your girl JazzyT. Is this dirty? I'm doing cake pops for Thanksgiving. That's what it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna start them because I know this kitchen is gonna be crazy while my mom is cooking in it. I don't know who else. I think my sister has to cook in it too. Okay, so this is the cake box I got. This is not usually what I get, but this is what my mom bought, so we're gonna make this. You guys already know, just make a freaking box cake mix. So there's that. I'm gonna be mixing everything in, oil, water, whatever. But I also want to talk about like what you should look for in a man, or you know, just standards that y'all should have. You feel me? I just had a great idea of mixing in Nutella with this instead, but anyway. So sorry, I had to switch the setup up, you feel me? But pretty much, while I'm baking the cake, I wrote down 10 things all women should look for in a man in my notes. So I'm gonna be talking about these as I, you know, do what I gotta do. So now you can't really see what I'm doing, but anyway. The first thing I got on this list for what you should look for in a man is no pride / ego. So let me get into that. I don't know if this just runs from myself or the Latina culture, but I got a lot of pride. I got a lot of, you know, what I say goes. What's wrong is wrong, right is right, I'm always right type of, you know, vibe to me. So you don't need an ego when it comes to me. You don't need any type of pride, and if you have it, it's pretty much to the point where I'm gonna win. So it's like, it's just not gonna happen. Let me win, you know. And I'm not even gonna say I have that much pride, because I might still just, you know, I might still just let you win a fight or two, like, you know, if I don't care, because I have a really good issue with not caring. But I think for any woman, you should just not look for somebody that's really egotistical and really wants to win every fight, always wants to be right. Like, that just gets irritating, especially with women, because we be right most of the time. So, but anyway, the second thing is being stable and hardworking. Listen here, stable is a big statement. Now I'm just gonna pour in guesstimate a cup because I already. Stable is a big statement, but hardworking, you can't, you know, hardworking, you can work with hardworking, you hear me? Put in the bottle 1/3 cup. Really guesstimating here, just pouring in stuff at this point. You can't go wrong with hardworking, because that means no matter what, they're gonna try and keep up to date and do what they gotta do to, like, at least take care of themselves. Shit, at least. Well, I mean, you know, that's at the very least. Period. Poo. Say hi to Mila, baby. Oh yeah, she's coming. Bye guys. Oh, she gone. But yeah, stable is, you know, that's the dream, that's the goal. But hardworking, you could settle for hardworking, you know what I mean? You gotta be hardworking. Like, the third thing on the list, good communication or honest. Literally, like, if you're not honest, don't even talk to me as a friend, as nothing. Like, shit, don't bring that fake conniving ass shit around me. I don't need that. How is this a whisk? I'm making a mess. But yeah, good communication skills. You gotta be able to speak on what you want, what you don't want, how you feel, how you don't feel. Shit. People cannot read minds. Ain't nothing gonna work out between two people if they do not communicate with each other. And that's just that. This was just personal for me, but like, being good with kids, I think that is so attractive. Being a good dad, like, I think that is, you know, even if you're not a dad, obviously, I mean, I don't want nobody that's a dad right now, but like, being able to play with kids, be good with kids, get along with kids. Don't be irritated by them or like hurt them, you know, like, you know, that's just me though, I guess. Some of y'all don't gotta worry about that. Oh, you gotta have a sense of humor. I don't know if that's just me either, but like, for real, bro, if you cannot make me laugh, there is no point in you coming around. I don't want to be around somebody that's always serious, or if I make a joke, you don't know how to take it either. Like, you, that's dead, my boy. Yeah, you gotta have a good sense of humor. Any sense of humor, shit. But you cannot be unseasoned. You cannot be dry. You cannot just not be able to take a joke, get your feelings hurt. See, these light skins be getting their feelings hurt. Yikes, you know, that's not the wave. Number 6, good hygiene. Jesus, like, y'all, it's like some of these mamas, they teach their sons how to take care of themselves. So, like, okay, we hear you. Oven's preheated. These little boys do not be knowing how to smell good. None about some cologne or aftershave or whatever. Shit, even hair gel, like, look presentable, you feel me? Like, improvising the whole video. But yeah, good hygiene. Shave too. Like, I'm not into just letting everything grow out. Like, take care of yourself, groom yourself, get a haircut, get a line in. But you know, that should just be self-explanatory. Don't nobody want to talk to anybody as a friend, as a neighbor, as an enemy, if you ain't got no good hygiene. Passionate or giving? I guess. This is my aunt, guys. She's deaf, but she's literally the funniest thing ever. Come.
Dale.
Yeah. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. This? Some compassionate and giving. I feel like you don't have to be giving. You do gotta be compassionate though, because if I don't feel like you are, bro, I'm not gonna talk over these people. Though. Okay, I put the cake into the oven. I set the timer, but anyway, I'm just gonna continue. You know. Passionate, definitely. You have to be able to show me that you like me, that you're sweet. You know, you can't just be asshole all the time. Literally. Giving, I mean, you can't be stingy. Like, you know, you don't gotta be completely giving. Not really ask for much, but I mean, giving, that's nice.
Have you tried the critters here, Mom?
Proud to have you. Definitely. No, like, we talked about pride in the beginning, but this is different. Definitely, they gotta be able to show you off, be happy. Not no secrets around here. You feel me? I think being proud of you is good. You know, being able to show you off, being proud of having a girl, being taken, and not being a thought pocket. You know, that ties into the next one. What's the next one? Being focused and mature. Being mature. But, you know, you still gotta be goofy. But it needs to be a balance. You gotta be goofy and you gotta be mature. You gotta be able to be like, yo, be worried about the right stuff, you know? Your future, money. It's just, what?
I said she liked it.
She liked it. Just, you know, a little bit like that, you know? Bills, my bills, what I need. No, just kidding, but for real, be focused on the right stuff. And be mature, like be able to talk stuff out. All of these fall into being mature, but like, do they really know how to do that? No. So, being a team player, that means you want to be in a relationship. You know, you want to be able to help somebody out. Dang, you want to be in the thing so bad.
Hi, I'm her mom.
Oh my god, she's like,
Oh,
mira pa allá.
It worked out perfect. Juicy.
Okay, anyway.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay, y'all. Well, I'm gonna let my mama do that. She could have fun with that. I'm gonna
Get her nails done.
get my nails done.
Period.
Obviously, my sister started my nails. Oh, there's chocolate on them.
Girl.
Go back to the list.
Why don't you wait?
Because
Until
when are they
they
ever
won't.
gonna leave? They're not.
You're bogus.
Girl, so I gotta talk over them. Because anyway, let's go back to my list. I can't wait to upload this video and then all these niggas text me like, that's literally me. I'm just like, this goes for what you're supposed to be for a girl too. Not only what a girl should look for in a guy, but what you guys should what's that word? Strive to be. It's what you guys should strive to be, you know, all the things that y'all should try. I think I started talking about being a team player. So you have to want to be in a relationship. You're gonna have to want to build with somebody. You're gonna have to want to, you know, give your part in, and like, you know, if you don't want that, if you're not trying to be a team player, if you're trying to you on your own team, then that's a different story. You feel me? Then and the last is that 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I don't know, an extra one, bonus. A sense of style. You gotta have a sense of style. You gotta have a sense of style. You gotta be able to be a little bit fly or match my fly. You know, have some jewelry. Put on a chain once in a while. Some earrings or something. Have some cute shoes. Like, cause the last thing I want to do is feel like you are my son and I gotta dress you. You feel me? Like, but yeah, that's 10 things that I think every girl should look for in a guy. And that's 10 things that every guy should try to get together, you feel me? Before you try to get a girl, because, yo, get your life together. Get your whole life together. But, yeah, I'm still getting my nails done. I gotta make the little bolitas for the thingy things. And y'all will see the rest Thanksgiving. You feel me?